Hello and welcome to Tech's Review, where we unravel the secrets of digital success. Today we're talking about best YouTube keyword tools. Stick around, and if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that button to stay on top of your YouTube game. Find links in description. Number 1, VidIQ. It's not just a keyword tool, it's a comprehensive suite for YouTube optimization. VidIQ provides keyword suggestions tools, have AI tools and great features, tracks trends and offers insights into your competitors' strategies. It's a must-have for anyone serious about growing their YouTube presence. Number 2, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a trusted companion for many YouTubers. TubeBuddy offers robust keyword research tools. From exploring trending topics to analyzing search volumes, TubeBuddy simplifies the process of finding right keywords to boost your video visibility. Number 3, keywordtool.io. Keywordtool.io is a versatile tool goes beyond YouTube, helping you discover keywords across various platforms. With user-friendly interface and extensive keyword suggestions, it's a valuable asset for content creators. In conclusion, VidIQ, TubeBuddy, and keywordtool.io emerge as best YouTube keyword tools. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know your go-to keyword tool in the comments. Thanks for joining. Stay connected.